Hey guys, it's Prachi and it's 6:30 in the morning, so please don't blame me for looking like this or for noises in the background. But I kind of just wanted to make this video today because I have been talking about my packing concerns and horrors since I think almost 2 months on this channel now. And I'm finally done with the packing today. So the packing company is going to be reaching here anytime now, and within a few hours all my things will be off to Bangalore. It's a little bit weird. It's a little bit scary. It's making the whole thing very real that I'll be actually moving to a different city, starting a new life. For some reason, I don't know. Today is just getting even more real, you know, to see the empty cupboards in my home and to see everything in boxes. It's also a bit emotional, to be honest. But it's also life, you know, you just have to that's how it is. So let me show you what the room actually looks like. This is my aunt's place, as you might have recognized. Now guys, we're not that mean, okay? The reason why we are using our aunt's place is because nobody lives here. Like usually, you know, they just live here sometimes. They come here for like a few days and then they leave. And so she kind of offered to let us have her place for all the packing and stuff. So which is why, you know, and that's Hugsy, by the way. That's a beanbag. You might have seen me using this. That's Hugsy. Poor Hugsy has been treated very badly today. Some suitcases. This was the suitcase which I even took for roadies. Very bad condition right now. And then boxes. So many boxes. Lot of things. The whole place is a mess right now, but I guess, you know, and we have used so many of these tapes, like everywhere. Oh my god, I think we have finished off like a lot of them. These are the cartons. This was the carton I was packing yesterday. It took me forever. This carton is very precious. It contains a lot of my childhood toys and memories and things like that. So that's carton number 15. That's how I recognize it. So what my mom and my aunt have done, you know, they've done a very smart thing. They have labeled all the cartons with these numbers. And then what they have done is that they have taken pictures of what's inside the carton. Like, you know, before just before packing it completely, they've just taken pictures of what's inside the carton, and then they have cross-referenced it. Yes, they have cross-referenced it on their laptops with all the pictures, so that whenever I want to open a carton or whenever I'm looking for something, I just need to look at the pictures, check the number over there, go to the folder, check the number, and then I can just open the right carton. So it's like really well organized. Oh, there's another one thing which I wanted to show you guys. That's a little Casio I used to play when I was a kid. I don't know how that will go. It's not been packed. I guess we're just waiting for the packing company to pack that. A couple of things we have not really packed. We by the way have gone for, it's so hot in here, let me come out. We have gone for this company called Agarwal Packers and Movers. If there are anybody, like any of my viewers who are looking to move or anything, I think Agarwal Packers and Movers are really good. This is not sponsored, by the way. It's like I have seen people, you know, when they are shifting their places and all, they tend to lose a lot of their stuff. Things get broken and things like that. Agarwal Packers and Movers is slightly expensive, but they're definitely very, very good, okay? So that's just a little recommendation I wanted to make. I don't know, I'm just talking, but it's so weird. It's seriously, guys, it's so weird. All of these things, most of them have never left Calcutta. They'll be moving to Bangalore, they'll be in my new home. I'm just thinking of in which room I'm going to put what and what I'm going to be doing in my new home. I just know where I'm going to be putting Hugsy and the beanbag. The rest of the things, they just have to find their places on their own, I think. It's really funny, you know, how life changes. I mean, it's like, you know, with everything, every little change that happens when you're about to get married, it kind of, I think, you know, the closer you get to the day and the more gigantic. That's the washing machine. Sorry. Okay, you know what, I think I'll have to get the washing machine, so I'll just end this video now. The jibber will never end, but actually, no, the packing is also ended. The last 2 months of my life have been summarized as shopping and packing. So packing is done, shopping is almost done, and now I'll just hang up, okay? It's too noisy in here. Bye! Bye!